Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a barcode on MyFitnessPal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on your interface, you can see options like dashboard, log food, plans and more. That's on the bottom of the screen. Right above those options, you can see a search bar. On the search bar on the left, there's a magnifying glass option, and at the right you can see a small scan like button. Just tap on it. You should know that you're gonna have to be a premium member of MyFitnessPal app. Just select one of the plans from the screen and start a month free trial. You just have to add your payment details and pay later. And guys, that's it. That's how you scan a barcode on MyFitnessPal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.